Why Jubilee News? Nima Obibia Akwaba. Na se we subscribe to the channel that message say over subscribe. We are behind say over click a subscribe button. Now what be notification when sa new video biara also was can be. I feel we are now like video no. Give us a thumbs up, my thumbs up na free. Share my upload so now when you do that work. I feel you go a some of the Tróuble into and some air course.
Di machine nene team ye. Enra na me hu se ya nto aba manipa ye to aba mamoa. Hwe eni die kwanso ye enra course amenya ye anwumre no wo ho. Professors, doctors, medical doctors, nurses, preachers, pastors, apostles, evangelists, colleague journalists, morning show presenters called me and said that, K, yesra echna no pade to boase. Dintra. Kwajo echna no pade aya to boase. Adintra. Say na minim say na Ghana presenters yina nim say do saka Kwame Nkrumah. What do saka me? Hey, Legon lecturers, KNUST, to all the other universities that I know, they called me and told me, what friend me what catch them say, Kojo, Captain, smart, echna dear, aya, to boase. Yenim say obi ka Kwame Nkrumah wakam. Hwe enra enemy who say 2016 2020 memi vote no manto amanipa to mamoa. Hwe tiemiye.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Kwasia pe na de areho ba ho. Baby a enigye. Where there is happiness, it takes only the fool to convert happiness into sadness. Where there are thinkers, baby, I want a war dream, fat dream, a boy bibi se enye ye no. It takes only a fool to divert the tankers, harboring the thinking machinery. Say, a drew dear edinya, as a say nyansafo tenase. Esim konwa na wote ase se baby a nana Kwame okono Captain Smart okrono Abraham ekrono Achu ekono Godwin ekono baby a omani krono ye hia wo adwem papa e wo man ne ho se wotena se sinkonwa ege o man no enema menka asem we ewe nidie kwanso obuo kwanso enkyerɛw wɔn a asua adeɛ kwakire mesramo respectfully obuo kwanso nidie kwanso mani nsa obia na mmom no yɛmfa professor any PhD ene buman yɛmfa doctor ena ebuman yɛde nipa papa ene yɛ ɔman yie eti obi betimi aye PhD holder, obetimi aye veterinary doctor, obetimi aye biribi biara. Nanso se oni oman ne ho adwempa emfa ho school dodo a wakɔ sabe eburu sabe nyaado oman no hwahwɛ no ni wura befi sabe eburu sabe nyaado eni die kwanso obuo kwanso sa nipa no betoto omanyi ase na mom se wonye nipa papa wanko school mpa na so ye nipa papa sa nipa no betimi bu omanyi emomanyi ayeye osaje for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah Kwame Kafra Kwame look I am my too heavy. Listen. Kwame Nkrumah had no degree in economics. No, on your PhD in economics. The PhD. Or your theology.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
Bible,
hot news all time.
Usiaye. Meboa. nti nkesenka Kwame ogina crusade platform so na oprichi ekira manfo se wombra Yesu ho nanso Kwame anye esanse oye ni papa panti obeye mampani a ne so ebi nida se na me Kwadwo smart mato abama moa amanto abama nipa hwe krobi asante kotoko hene the king and the overlord of the Ashanti kingdom eka sembi kire wiase nyina mra na odi asem ewo manhia ose akwada yetunefo a ontie tieniye listen to me well akwada yetunefo a ontie ene se yetunefo okukuomu a yede kukuomu afutuo ba abonten nyamna me kan yo yewura ene kan samara no na otu eye echamfo Kwame akowia eye asafo hene a yetu ni sesi yetu no koya afoforo wei no say koda yetu no fo a ontie ni yetu no fo odema yesande sa afoto kro na no e ba bonte o kasem we e ba kumawu enkondasem yewura asante hene e kasem we efasuya yewura asante hene waka the same asem afofenso e kyerewo say yemfa nipa wakosuku ene bu oman na yefa obia ote oman ase odo oman na oye nipa papa na yede ne yo oman ma oman no eyiye sebie buru sebie nyaado yewura onye professor ba se de wesia ebu asanteman se de asante ne ahyehya asanteman saase asanteman ahenie asanteman ahensem asanteman entotoye asanteman yeyo asanteman se de be kona nimu no ebianka professor bi be di sa akodwa betra sika dwaso a ka ontimi nyo Kufour.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Shawotu abama MPP we aboa. I want to repeat this statement. The ticket of Bawumia Napo wotu abama wama wo we aboa. Wonnim nyansa wadwen da fam yetietia so apeche no apro asai. Enye se wonye nipa o wo ye nipa me don me bu meni so me kondon na emom no wo yesa se obi ndo oman a onye nipa oye kwasea se obi ndo oman a onye nipa oye beast aboa efrise enura ena meti ase se ya to abama moa ya to ababa nipa he nanado okasa fine he our president, he spoke nicely. Whatever he said, at the latter part of his conversation, he was not making sense. But that is not a problem. Our president, our dear president, our respectable president, Nanado, spoke nicely at Menchia. He actually projected his political party, trying to pitch camp with the Ghanaian that I want you to believe in the NPP, whether I made sense or not. Sammy Komenim, Saman Komenim no. I want you to know that these are the guys I have worked with, and they can maybe succeed me. His Excellency, the President of the Republic, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, before Krobia Sante Kotokohene, Otumfo Osetu Abebio. he said something profound. But the latter part of his statement, I say we know ya Kufour, na me menya yukuni. So if you can control Kufour, me you can control me. I am not interested in that last part of his statement. Dr. Mahama Bawumia, he made, if I had to grade making sense, I'll give Akufo-Addo 85% over 100. I'll give Wontumi -100 over 100. I'll give Bawumia 1 over 100. I'll give Napo -6 million over whatever figure you want to quote. And I'll give Kennedy Agyapong 95% over 100.
Captain Smart.
Now,
you are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Na yewura mpese bedu baabi no nanim begu ase say ye de na begina nanim wo bedwam ma na ka de efe afa de ho na kofa nim guase de abre no enti de okache ne dem no o de afutuo no huri babonten be kache ne say ye se wo mu ade na emo me mesan wuti sa kasa na ye kasa mesan wuti no aya na menim say na nipa bi ti ase e te say me ne anti bi kodi nsawoso e che say me ne anti bi kokontokwa. I know where can you see Kasa? Omsio, and Asimesi, or Koyano, and your name and penny, Kodin Sawoso, and Sawoso means war. So because I said, may Sauti, Nature said, you're even yet. And yes, I met me a dear Jinamu, as was a may Sauti, and as was a me dear Jinamu, two different things. And as I'm taking a chance of war, and you want to be dear Jinamu Manapo, you sign it. If it says it is signed, and you're 50-50. Anything can happen. Said a bear. So, what yet the Ghana force and no what Tiana. Yamfat and Sanama Swabe. Who conso now I yeswa, no Masanya Nuyam, and Timunina, le. You run a chrono. On count. Le. Enti obia. Ya catcher was sad. Shaye. The Ghana force umuade. When in Swadi. Nanda poko jina stage swa. Wo adie biti se wo. Wo. Hey. Napo. Wo. Wo. Ah, ewurade nyankopon. Napo, catch Akufo-Addo say, Kwame Nkrumah or the president, 1-4 Babia wa Kamuda. Mayana manye. Napo, I also know after Mwadi no. Bukwesha nanado, or catch her said, Nibufu. And no boy man, say, what could be Mr. Ghana for some Medina Tembio. Me say, wish ya president, catch her say, Kwame Nkrumah, fellow Ghanaian, one your Babia and that. Okay. Napo, who's your president now? Usuba phone would die the dear na Kumasi about the side of Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. Catch a woo president to say. Kwame Nkrumah, when Kumini Yiribia Tuntum and Wario Bako. Kwame Nkrumah, one more Babia Tiko Abrosas Wenkuno. I was staircase so. So Bania Tuntum, Jopo Bako. Kwame Nkrumah wanye bida. Wani. Wa woti ase no woti ase. Le. Se wanye bue adaka isu yi. Entime bia wo bia e betim din. Se Pandora. Se Commander. Se whatever role box na wo bie so no. Napo. Entime bia wo bia no ye betum din. Se wo mbua de mfera de nsura de a enye yen ye Kwame Nkrumah so wo yare wo ho ha ewurade nyankopon le Kwame Nkrumah when you are
watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo When you touch Kwame Nkrumah, you've touched my brain, you've touched my veins, and you've touched my blood. I can go berserk, but Nana-Addo is the president of the republic.
Fellow Ghanaians.
So I have to be decorous.
Someone here, and someone here.
Nanso, Kwame Nkrumah Johnson a yehwegu kura bem kotwagu. Eso won fa so watching Nana-Addo expensive perfume.
Hey, na wa banie, no ka sansemi.
Kwame Nkrumah ne Johnson keke. Ya Johnson agu kura bem 3 days. Ye kohwe ato agu no. Eso won fa so watching Nana-Addo expensive perfume. Hey, we bie adaka no so. Entime bie won bia no, ye beto no din Napo. Kwame Nkrumah ne jadan.
The battle.
Ehu akono efe. Say mo MPP funa wo de Jubilee House ho no. Babodam. Kwame Nkrumah jadan ne sabiye. Ansama na wo mu no. Ehu akono efe. Eni onyam wo ho che sa mo MPP funa wo de Jubilee House ho no.
The battle has ended.
Kwame Nkrumah.
Ghana.
Babodam.
Your is free forever. Fellow Ghanaians.
Wabodam. Napo. Wabodam. Napo. Wabodam. Kwame Nkrumah. Na wo adie bi te say wo which we can Sam monkofa mo Kwame Nkrumah na mra. Wo so fa sa La ilaha illallah. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim.
They are sick people.
Onuya.
Yadwene mu wo. Onuya maachi o.
Sabie buru sabie nyaado.
Onuya.
Na se nya de aba na de de asia. Na kakra man timi di ohinanim.
Captain Smart, the king.
Nya de asia ni de aba. Kraman so timi di ohinanim. Epo wo. Wabra mahene ni achia me. Edi animu.
He is smart. He is unique. He is the best. Captain Smart is the king.
Ubi a person won me tratra pa no. And say Kwame Nkrumah.
You're watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Ni ye kire say ochiri Kwame Nkrumah. Ni pe bie ni asase so obetan Kwame Nkrumah obedi ye benya nunyam da. Eno na po ohuhuri te say okra.
Captain Smart, the king of morning show.
Jenda no poku agimaya. Ono oba. Politics no ye ni say. Ni ho abanunyam chen wo. Awo na wo se. So ye de she no. Me meka no kura me wuhia me wo pa tame. Wo pa me to us ano. I'm a walking sacrifice.
Tiutas ewuade nyo obi na akumantwi obosi akọ na ode ne ho ade akyerema.
One say no went to be a Muhammadu obo Mahama.
Gwen.
Say ye pobi amana your man yi a ye say empe Mahama.
Le.
Eti won what time Kwame Nkrumah ochimu takrama.
Mo me Mistiano.
Se wonnim a me catch na wonne.
Mo Fastiano Emani.
Dentia me ma Bawumia percentage bi ne say. Edu se say all cast Fourth Republic yi on na the best vice president wa mo bi adi memwa. Wo
Wani.
ono ye flag bearer na obedi president na obesoye wiansa wo wesoye na. Wo na wo de wo ho beto Kwame Nkrumah ho.
Wani.
Wo na ade Akufo-Addo beto Kwame Nkrumah ho.
Gwen.
Anti chesa na po say which way na say ya mpesa you don't respect Kufour.
Le.
Oh, now you have confirmed. Eti nipa na okatra me say wo kwatra cantonment ka say Kufour oba no den ano timbeye ye. Na te say dem penifo bi ka say ye rotten cassava no. Magie di. Say wo bu Kufour.
Pesa mo Fastiano Emani.
Se me kosua adwuma wa Abraham ho. Na mitumi tinsa wie. Na Abraham yi mi kire. Na se me kasa kakra. Na me ka kire Abraham se sa nipa kire wo Abraham adwuma. Ema wo be kire me adwuma no. Onimu hwea. Den na maka kire Abraham. Enra odidi da na ado atem. But the sense MPP for now, my dream was family.
They think they are sensible.
Actually, now my dream ba fieno. What rock crata command Napo. Say she should die Jimmy no. Or share the day no dey share the bottom. Or touch name. Napo. Hey, waka. Me can't bibia won't be wait na 1 minute. Napo. And no dear waka. Na won't be wait na 1 minute. Auntie said that you won't cover Kufour in a say ampa. Whoa, won't fa Kufour nyashe. Really?
Wani.
Auntie say 1 May.
Wait.
Kufour onyare.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Another President Papa change Kufour.
You waiting for this news so and our head on so we are subscribe we are necessary over subscribe now we like it now feel share video ama offer so in your na wabe also meeting at working for a year and some way now I will comment box no mobile in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.